What is attribute selector? Well, with attribute selector, we can select all HTML elements that have specific HTML attribute. For example, we can use attribute selector to select all anchor elements that have attribute target. Or we can use this kind of attribute selector, so we can select all paragraphs that have title HTML attribute with value paragraph 2. Attribute selectors are always surrounded with the square brackets.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.